close in sight. Whispering dreams, our minds take flight. Echoes of thoughts as pencils move through pages old, our spirits groove. Gentle raindrops, the world in mute, beats so soft like a secret flute. Time suspended, a peaceful kiss. In this haven we find our bliss. Steady hug from the rhythm's hand guides us through